How to block someone in Bloodstrike step by step. Are you trying to block someone in Bloodstrike? If yes, then watch the video till the end carefully. First of all, launch open the Bloodstrike game on your device and make sure you are inside this lobby page. Once you're in, go ahead and find the player you want to block. You can find them from your friend list, recent player tab, match results, or you can also find this chat icon at the bottom left and then select one of the contacts from the glob section or the world section. Just tap on their profile picture and in the pop-up you should see this block icon. Tap on it and click on OK in the pop-up to block the player. Repeat this step for every other friends or players you want to block. Now, you have successfully blocked the contact in Bloodstrike. After you block them, they can't message you, invite you, and you won't see their chats in most cases. You can always unblock them later if you want to change your mind. So that is how you block someone in Bloodstrike. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.